Well, this is my I think it's a rupp mini bike. I sanded it down, painted it blue. 5/8 piece of keyed bar, lock collars. Right there. That tire's way too small, but for now it's good. Harbor Freight 6.5 motor. It has an actual Honda flywheel on it. I feel more safe with that. Fuel valve on the tank, filter. It's got the valve on the carburetor too, but I put all this stuff on it because I couldn't put the box thing on it. And these carburetors have no adjustment, so I had to wrap all that foam around it so it sucked enough fuel. Once I did that, then that's in place good. Then it's got a 30 series torque converter right here. Good. It's custom exhaust kind of muffler, kind of wobbles off to get some muffler kind of weld stuff for it, but for now that's good. Torque converter. I'll go ahead and start it up and do a bit of riding. Had about a quarter, about a little bit more than half throttle. It wasn't full speed. Takes a while for that to spin all the way out. I don't know what size sprocket that's supposed to have. It's got a 13 tooth on the jack shaft. This isn't a Comet. It's a knockoff. This is an actual Comet. This is a belt that got a tractor supply. Made of Kevlar. It's got hook up like a motorcycle battery or something for the lights, but yep, that's about it. Harbor Freight 6.5. Awesome gas tank. Kind of completely bypasses the governor, my throttle, because it's ghetto. It goes right in there with a little washer. Cable goes down there. A little piece of wire. Twist this and it's amazing.